Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at a little project, an LED light that we're going to hang up in the ceiling. I just hooked one up and you see the light changing here. I'm going to revert over to the other. So this is the laundry room. You can see this LED light that I hung up there. It's got dual speakers. It hooks up to your phone or your iPad or whatever you want to hook it up to and plays music while you're doing the laundry, whatever you're doing in the house. The LED light is a really nice light. It really lights up this laundry room just like daylight. So you can see how much light is in here. We got rid of an old fluorescent light. This light really puts out the light. I mean, it's like, wow. Now maybe you don't want anything that bright. It's bright white, which we tend to like the bright white. It really cheers things up. Doesn't feel like an old three yellow lights. Some people prefer those. This light is really like it. Now we're going to go in the other room. You can see the closet here. And it does okay. It's got more of your traditional, probably 3K lighting, off-white lighting, which a lot of people prefer. But I'm going to change it out with this light that I purchased. I got a couple of them at Sam's Club for a really good deal. Of course, I'm always looking for good deals. Now, they aren't decorative lights. They're shop lights. And we'll go out and look at those in a moment. Okay guys, so this is a shop light. It's a Honeywell LED light. It's a 4-foot linkable shop light with integrated Bluetooth speakers, aluminum housings. It's a bright white light. Now you can see it hangs by chains. Now in the laundry room, the ceiling was high enough that you really couldn't see the chain hanging. So it didn't really make it look like a shop light in my opinion. So it's made for, crafts, hobbies, work areas. Great for a shop. You can plug, I think it's 6 of them together. Off of the one, they have a plug on each end. Now it comes with the dual Bluetooth speakers. It's an aluminum housing. And it's bright white. And the price was good. I think it was $39, which I'm okay with that. My wife really likes the music that it plays. It really has a good sound to it when you're playing your Bluetooth. So it replaces your traditional neon lights. So this is the sound from the LED light with the Bluetooth speakers. It's playing off of my wife's phone in the other room. Let me see. So you can see it's got a speaker on each end of it. And you can hear the quality. Sounds really good.